Oh, look at this angelic creation.
Hey, what's up, Bee Squad? Today I'm going to show you how to make the best Methi and Moong Sabji. It's made with methi or fenugreek leaves and moong dal. It's commonly eaten with flatbreads like roti, and it's both flavorful and nutritious. So let's get it. I'm going to start by soaking our moong dal in hot water for about 20 minutes or until it softens up. For our methi leaves, I have a fresh bunch here that I'm just going to tear it into its small leaves. The stalk, which tends to be tough even when cooked, I'm just going to discard. Once I have my leaves, I'm going to give this a quick rinse. To bring this all together, in a hot pan here, I'm going to add in some oil. Once it gets nice and hot, I'm going to drop in our mustard seeds, our cumin seeds, curry leaves, green chilies, some roughly chopped chunks of garlic, some ginger, a little bit of diced onion, and just give this a quick saute. For our spices, a dried red chili, some turmeric, coriander powder, red chili powder, and a little bit of hing or asafetida. And finally, some salt. Give this a good stir for our spices to come alive. When our onions are cooked, I'm going to drop in a little bit of coconut, add in our soaked and softened moong dal, and our methi or fenugreek leaves. If you want the exact recipe, check out the description box below. I'll write out a full-length recipe so you can make it at home. And while you're down there, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button so you can keep seeing more delicious recipes that you can make at home. Give this a good stir and let it cook down until the leaves wilt. And there you have it, folks. Delicious and healthy Methi and Moong Sabji. Cheers.